everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. If you need to create a Snapchat account, first make sure that you download Snapchat application for your smartphone. In my case, I'm using my iPhone in today's video, so if you are using an iPhone as well, go tap open your app store and download Snapchat application. Once you're done with it, tap open Snapchat. The first interface of Snapchat will look like this. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to create one, tap on the sign up button in blue at the bottom. Sync your contacts to add friends, share snaps and view their stories on your Snapchat by tapping on OK. And now go ahead and type in your first name in the first text box in order to get started with Snapchat. Once you type in your first name, go and type in your last name. Finally, tap on sign up and accept at the bottom. Type in your birthday information into the next page. Select your birthday year, date and month from the toggle button down below. Click on the continue button and you've been suggested a username on the next page. If you want to use this particular username, simply tap on the continue button, but if you'd like to change it to something else, tap on change my username and go ahead and type in a username for yourself that you'd like to use. Finally, tap on the continue button after you are done and now set a password for your Snapchat account. Remember that your password should at least be 8 characters long, so make sure to type in the password according to the criteria and finally tap on the continue button. On the next page, go ahead and type in your email address in the text box. While typing in an email address, make sure that you have an access for your email address and tap on the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and type in your mobile number. First, select your country code and type in the mobile number that you have an access to. You can do this right now or tap on skip and do it later on, which is located at the top right hand corner. In order to get started with Snapchat, you can add friends that is suggested to you on the next page from the quick add category. Tap on the add button right next to the contact in order to add them to your Snapchat contact list. Just like that, and tap on the continue button. You can now create your personal avatar with the help of a camera by tapping on create with camera. You can do this right now or skip by tapping on skip button at the top right hand corner. And there you have successfully signed up and created an account for Snapchat. This is the homepage for Snapchat. You can now go ahead and allow Snapchat to track your activities across the company's websites and apps. Tap on allow and that is how you can easily sign up for Snapchat. To visit your profile, tap on the human icon at the upper left hand corner, create your avatar for yourself, finish the rest of the process and you'll be able to use your application just fine. That was how you can easily sign up for Snapchat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.